Somebody po me pinong. I'm your host here is Piano Bong and welcome to Cooking with Mr. International. On today's episode, I'm going to be teaching you how to make the very famous Jeow som. This episode is brought to you by Sun's Lao Fish Sauce by Lao Supply. 100% pure natural. I'm just gonna make a small portion. Okay, let's get started, guys. I'm gonna be using 2 garlics. Use more if you want, but you don't want the garlic to overpower the Jeow som. So start by 2 garlic. You wanna smash it completely. 20 pepper. Use as much pepper as you want. I like to eat spicy. 20 is always a minimum for me. To find the pestle and mortar, you can go to any Lao, Mien, Hmong, or Cambodian grocery store. They usually have it. This is what we use to pound all our good ingredients together. Be careful, you don't want the pepper to pop in your eye, okay? Hope everybody had a really good New Year. The next step is add your lime juice. Add 1/4 of a cup of lime juice. 8 tablespoons of sugar. 1 teaspoon monosodium glutamate. And now, the special part, the fish sauce. I'm going to be using a 1/2 cup of fish sauce. This fish sauce is pretty awesome. It's been aged for 5 years. It's all 100% natural. The Sun Lao Supply fish sauce. And voila! We're all done. Mix it all together and the Jeow som is done. Easy as that. Jeow som is so amazing. It is sweet, it is sour, it's salty. Just how I like it. Sweet and salty. I love Jeow som. I take it to Korean barbecue. I take it to the Chinese hot pot. I eat it with my friends Yao Han. I eat it with the purple rice. It is so yummy. You can eat it with anything. Alright guys, I want to wish everyone a happy new year. Thank you once again for tuning in. This is Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And you guys have a great day. Enjoy.